What is up guys, it's Sierra here, and if you want to see how I created this green, purpley yellow look, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me at Sierra Vanderleek and CCBMUA12 on Instagram. So let's keep on going. Okay, so first off, I am using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to be using these greens. And so first off, I am using this green right here in my crease to like transition it into a darker green. And so I'm just using like circular motions above my crease line just to blend it all out. As you can see, I am using this Anastasia brush that came with the Soft Glam and other palettes, and I'm just using that green and going into circular motions along the, like above my crease line just to blend it all out. And then I am mixing this green with this bluish green to go in my crease. So again, I'm going in with circular motions and just like angling my brush just to get a little bit above my crease. And do not forget to go in with the previous brush with the lighter green and go over so you blend it all in. So after I have both my colors blended in, I'm going to take this Born This Way concealer by Too Faced and cut my crease. I'm going to be taking this orangish pink and a little bit of orange and then putting it on my lid. Okay, now taking a packing brush, I'm going to take this yellow and place it on my lid and kind of mix it in with the orange. And then yet taking another packing brush, I'm going to take the darkest green and pat it and blend it in with the yellow and orange. And then I'm going back over with that light green just to blend this out. And then next, I'm going with NYX Vivid Brights in color yellow just to create a small wing. And then I'm going to go into this purple and this purple next. I'm taking that purple, the lightest one, and going against my lash line and blending it all out. I'm blending it up by that little yellow line. Now I'm going with the dark purple and blending it into the lighter. And now I'm going in with concealer to fix up that line. Just to make it look like there's two different colored wings. Now to darken this green, I'm going to go into Subculture and take Axis on a packer brush. Just pack it closer to the lash line. I went ahead and put my lashes on, and now I'm going to go in with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Medium / Deep Matte Bronzer. To go in with this bronzer, I am using this brush and just gonna line from the top of my ear to my mouth. Now I'm going in with highlighter. It's Becca in the shade Pearl, and it's actually broken, so I have to be gentle. And just put that on my cheekbones. I'm going in with Tardiest Glossy Lip Paint by Tarte, and just gonna apply that to my lips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon.